Hi, Apollo. Apollo. The male pit cross. Why isn't it focused? He's not fixed. Not housebroken. 7 to 8 weeks old. Hi, Apollo. He's a good puppy. He's a sweet puppy, aren't you? Yeah. Okay, it's Apollo. I know, honey. Wants to go home.
15. There is a 20% chance of rain or snow afternoon Tuesday. Partly sunny, high of 30.
And we have Champion! Hi, Champion. You got your rawhide. Hi, Champion. You can't see it. Champion, he's a male. He's not fixed. Not housebroken. Good with kids. Seems okay with other dogs. Hi, Champion. And your Rosie girl. My Rosie girl. Rosie's a female, not fixed. Housebroken. Yes. Good with kids. Might be okay with dogs. Oh, hi, Rosie. Is Rosie still here? And Angus. Angus, you big old brute. You eat your rawhide? Angus. American Bulldog. Not fixed. Housebroke unknown. Very sweet and calm. Knows how to sit and shake. Angus, he's a good boy. And Rosie girl. My Rosie girl. And Champion. And Bushy's for adoption too, I think.
Place in this contest center.
Where he's at.
I'm doing great, Simon.